Coaches, can you share a little bit about the Bexley coaching framework?
We're here to engage, equip, and empower the teachers so that they are able to engage, equip, and empower the students.
We've done it with primary, intermediate, middle school, high school, through staff meetings, through emails, through presentations. And I would say that we're trying to build relationships, which is what we want our teachers to be doing with students, along with the learner profile and that engage, equip, and empower.
How does the coaching framework impact our students?
I see it really translating with being able to co-teach, with being able to model, working with teachers to have an opportunity to try something new and to have somebody to bounce ideas off of, reflect, make changes, try something in the next unit. So you see it directly in the classrooms.
I think we're finding it's giving teachers space and time to really look at things that they've been wanting to try, or really looking at data and using that data to inform our instruction. And it's helpful to have a thought partner where, like Rachel was saying, that you can work together to solve a problem or to think about things differently, or just go deeper with something that you haven't had time to think about before.
I think it's also been helpful to be in the classroom with teachers on the ground level, being able to kind of implement lessons or a series of lessons together so that the teacher feels like they're not alone in the process, and then there's an opportunity to reflect afterwards and say what went well, what would we improve for the next time. And I think it really opens up a really rich dialogue for what's going well and what we can improve on.
What are some of the successes of the coaching framework in its first year?
Teachers trying something new, for teachers being bold and risking and trying a new opportunity or a new innovative practice, and then them seeing success with kids. So I think our success is built on when teachers are feeling successful, or when teachers are feeling excited about something, or when they see kids growing, or when they see kids finally get that thing that they weren't getting before. As a result of a conversation that we had.
To add on to that, I think it's been really helpful for some of the teachers I've worked with, that they've taken things they've done in the past and identified some space for improvement. And so we can really look specifically at what changes could be made, what opportunities exist within the framework that has already existed, so that kids have a different experience.
As we look forward to next year and just the future of the coaching framework, what are you most looking forward to?
I think I've had the opportunity to be in nearly every classroom in the middle school and high school just in the first semester, and so I'm looking forward to continuing partnerships with teachers I've been working with, and continue to open more partnerships both with individuals and with grade level teams and departments at both levels.
At an elementary level, I think we've had the opportunity of working or being in nearly every classroom and working with every classroom teacher in some capacity, and I think just continuing to further those relationships and continuing to go deeper on things that we've started is pretty exciting.